didn't even have to move. Terrible penalty.
Great penalty. Confidently taken. That's what you want.
And he slots it home. Great precision.
One kick away from victory, that's all. The keeper's gone the right way and kept out the shot. It comes down to this. He has to score, otherwise the keeper was never going to get that. One kick away from victory, that's all.
And the goalkeeper's gone the right way and kept out the shot. The pressure is on this penalty.
Oh, confidently taken and made no mistake putting it away. All the pressure now on the penalty taker. He has to score.
And it's saved!